We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting, related, and some of the most mispronounced words and names, including names from history as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this in English? This is said as Trafalgar. Now this is a word of Spanish origin. Trafalgar, at least if we're talking about the Battle of Trafalgar, is located in Spain, and in Spanish this would be said as Trafalgar, Trafalgar, but in English it is said as Trafalgar, Trafalgar, as in the Battle of Trafalgar. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.